Last January, the CPI announcement was made, which typically has a negative impact on the cryptocurrency market. This time, however, the approval and trading of a Bitcoin spot ETF became a significant factor, overshadowing the CPI impact. While it's tricky to pinpoint whether the decline in Bitcoin or other asset markets was directly caused by the CPI announcement, there was definitely an adjustment period in prices afterward. We can observe a similar trend after the recent CPI announcement, where some price decline followed suit. There is a fund called Founders Fund. What this means is that since 2014, by collecting Bitcoin and other alts, especially Ethereum, at the end of the last bull market, before the Luna incident and the FTX incident, we realized profits exceeding $1.8 billion. It is said that this Founders Fund, which made very accurate judgments about the lows and highs of the market, has now reintroduced some funds into crypto. In terms of the amount of funds, it is said that less than $200 million was invested. The investment was said to be 50% Bitcoin and 50% Ethereum. The Founders Fund, which trades very smartly, raised over $200 million in the last bull market. The Exit Fund is now looking at the market as an opportunity and is trading below 30K. It is said that it has been collected, but the bull market is not over yet in any case because the Founders Fund has not sold, and it can be interpreted as such a signal. At the same time, you can see that you are continuing to save money, collect coins, and invest them. And I think this is a very meaningful thing. We will continue to track any future developments and provide guidance to you. Inflation has exceeded expectations, causing a lot of excitement and some worries about what might happen next. But in the midst of all this uncertainty, big institutions are buying up Bitcoin in the over-the-counter trading market, and there's more and more stablecoins available, which helps keep things stable. People have different opinions about all this, and it's led to Bitcoin hitting around $52,000 today. When we look at Bitcoin's supply in profit market bands, the graph shows it's trending towards the upper range. In such situations, there's a chance for some adjustment, and it's typical to expect volatility, especially in the first quarter. It's wise to stay prepared, as anything could happen at any moment, presenting potential opportunities for us. Therefore, I believe it's a good idea to view the first quarter as a time to accumulate coins. Bitcoin halving events occur every 4 years, and over the past 12 years, we've witnessed a consistent trend. Prices tend to rise after each halving event. While there may be ups and downs throughout the year, the upcoming halving event in April has instilled an optimistic outlook on the market. Many anticipate that the value of Bitcoin will continue to climb. The Dr. Profit analyst confidently exclaimed, "I did it again! Bitcoin has made a significant move for the 10th consecutive time." He took to Twitter to pat himself on the back, tweeting, "I nailed it." He also teased that he'd soon share his insights on the next move. Based on his previous posts, he suggested that if Bitcoin surpasses $50,000, we could witness an even more substantial rise, fueled by FOMO, spreading throughout the market. He seemed quite confident in his predictions. If we look at the right-hand side where posted by Crypto Zombie, ever since the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs, there's been a fascinating trend. Gold ETFs experienced an overall outflow of nearly $2 billion, while Bitcoin ETFs welcomed an impressive net inflow of almost $4 billion. It's quite the shift, isn't it? For analyst Ed NL, it looks like Bitcoin's price might see a little more upward momentum, but for the time being, it's likely to encounter some resistance. That's the scenario he pointed out. Curious about how Bitcoin's price will unfold from here. Shall we take a look? You can observe that more than 10,000 new Bitcoins have entered the market recently. Thanks to the Bitcoin Spot ETF, we can see a consistent inflow of buying pressure into the spot Bitcoin market. It's like new funds are entering from external sources. Interestingly, excluding Grayscale, the amount of Bitcoin held by managers of Bitcoin spot ETFs has surpassed the amount held by MicroStrategy. Regarding Muro analysts' perspective, they mentioned that eventually all coins would experience a surge, and it seems that's happening now. Just take a glance at the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization. It's on the rise, isn't it? It's projected to reach $2.2 trillion. In today's video, we explored market predictions from various analysts in light of Bitcoin's price surge. Stay tuned for our next update with fresh news. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.